Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I just got out of the shower. I got these in the mail last night, so I couldn't wait any longer. Ipsy and Boxy Charm unboxing. I originally wanted to do two separate videos, but since they both came so late, what day is today? Today's the 19th, and I usually get these should have got them sometime last week, but there's something delaying them in the mail. I don't know why. But yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and go right into my Ipsy. The first thing that we have is outside the bag, and it's this fan brush. It's really, really pretty. Really soft. It's just kind of thin, because I have another fan brush from Morphe. And it's not as thin, but this is really, really soft. Maybe I might try applying blush with this today because I saw Jaclyn Hill doing that, and it looked really pretty. So next thing we have in the bag is our Ipsy bag. And I really like this. It's like a canvas bag, and it's really big, so that's nice too. Oh, and it comes with some markers, so you can decorate the bag. So you get a bag and a coloring book in one, so that's pretty cool. And then the card for this month is Create. The next thing we have in the bag is from Dirty Little Secret. Oof, it just looks like a blush more than a highlighter. It's really pink. It's called Bellini. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but I'll give it a nice swatch for you guys. Oof. It's very, very pink. Very, very pink. But we'll try that out today. The next thing we have in here is the Goddess Gold eyeshadow from INT Cosmetics. This is a huge pan. Holy moly. Look at that pan size. This might be the new biggest eyeshadow that I have. I'm gonna give that a nice swatch. It's feeling a little hard, not gonna lie. Ooh, but it swatches beautifully. Like, it feels hard in the pan, but then it feels really creamy when you swatch. So it probably just needs to be warmed up a little bit with your body temperature. The next thing we have in here is from Glossier. And this is the Balm.com Universal Skin Salve. Here. There we go. It's very, very, very thick. And this does not have a scent, or at least mine doesn't. I don't know if they have different variations or anything for the different bags. That's really awesome though, because this is just a really heavy balm you could put on at night, or you could even, you know, touch up dry patches or anything like that, so that's awesome. Okay, so the last thing we have in the bag is this Aurora lip gloss in the shade Fairy. Let's give her a swatch. Whoa! Whoa! I just took off the top. So pretty opaque. Alright, so that was everything that I got in my Ipsy bag for March 2018. So now let's move on into a BOXYCHARM. Oh, and I forgot to tell you the prices on Ipsy. Ipsy is a $10 a month subscription, and you can go ahead and you put in all of your stuff. It's very personalized, but then BOXYCHARM is more of a curated box. So, first off, the theme is vacation, but what if you don't have a bay? Then what are you gonna do, you know? That's okay, that's okay. I have a bay, so I ain't mad at it. And then we have a 25% off coupon from Butter London. The first thing that we have in the box is Make Them Blush from Pretty Vulgar, and it's the Hush Blush. And the packaging's pretty cute. It feels a little cheap, but that's okay. And it kind of reminds me like a picture frame. Let's give her a swatch. A really big pan size, though. I do like that. It's nice. Oh, she's pigmented. Look at that. That was like just a couple swirls. Oh my. Oh my. That's one of those highlighters, not highlighters, blushes you just dip, put on, you know. All right. Moving on up. Okay, so then we have a mascara from Butter London. It's called the Double Decker Mascara. Oh, look at that fluffy wand. That's a really nice and fluffy wand. It kind of reminds me of my Lash Paradise. So that should be pretty good. Okay, the next thing that we have in here are some eye gel packs from South Main. And in the try-on portion, I'm not going to try on these just because you have to leave them on for 30 minutes and I have to get to going to school in like an hour. And you have to use them 3 consecutive days. And my eyes, to BH, are not really that puffy right now. So I need to save this for like when I'm desperate. You know what I mean? Next thing that we have in here is a smoky eye, excuse me, a smoky eye brush set from the Vintage Cosmetic Company. And the packaging's pretty cute. Wow. Oh my lord. Let's get some scissors. Let me in, you devil spawn. Yeah, there's just like a little piece of tape and I cannot for the life of me. I'm just gonna have to, we're in. Let's see what brushes we have. Come on now. Don't be shy. There we go. Alright, so step 1. For the money. So this is for packing on that lid color. Very soft, very soft. Synthetic bristles, that's nice. 2, for the shadow. So then this is for your crease. I'm not really a big fan of angled crease brushes, but I guess we'll see. And then this says step 3, go girl go. And then this is for smoking on your lower lash line, or you could even pack some color on there. Or it could just be a nice detailed brush, you know. But yeah, not bad, not bad. Pretty soft. I don't really imagine myself using these brushes too much, but we'll see. It's always nice having a lot of brushes, you know what I mean? Okay, so the last thing in the box is in bubble wrap. And then a sleeve. And then some more plastic. And this is a collaboration with BOXYCHARM and Pure. So that's cool. Oh, we're freaking there. Why must you do this to me? Just want makeup. Why do you have to package it so tightly? Okay, so here we are. This is cruelty-free, gluten-free, talc-free, and vegan-friendly, so that's nice. Ooh, that's nice. Those are some really pretty shades. Oh my. Like, I've seen a couple of pictures of this online, but it really does not give it justice. It is gorgeous. Oof, not swatching too well though. But we'll test it out on the lid when I do the try-on portion. Like, not the best. I will say that. Alright, so I got all the base stuff that I can get done. I just put on some foundation, concealer, powder, bronzer, all of that jazz. First, I'm going to go ahead and finish my base. So we're going to take this blush, and then we're going to take this fan brush, and we're just going to put that right on to the cheeks. I'm just going to... It's a little patchy though. I will say that. Now we're gonna go into this highlighter. Maybe we'll try that fan brush again. Just gotta do a little dust. Yeah, no, I don't think I'm a fan of this fan brush. It's just too flimsy. Well, this highlighter is very pink right off the bat. I don't really feel like it's highlighting. I just feel like it's putting really light pink on my cheeks. Yeah, no, I'm not really the biggest fan of that because I honestly feel like I'm just putting pink on my cheeks. Like, it's not even a highlighter. I'm just putting pink on my cheeks because I feel like it. Alright, well, I think it'd be a pretty blush topper, but besides that, I'm not too sure. Put on some of this balm before we go on any further. Alright, we're moving on. We're gonna go ahead and go into the Pure palette. And I'm gonna take this lid brush and I'm gonna take Perfect right here. And I'm just gonna pack that on to the lid. Okay. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take my favorite crease brush and go into Nike and put that into the crease. I am going to go into Belle with that same crease brush I was just using and kind of focus that more on the outer corner. That's a really pretty shade. The shades in this palette I don't really have much of, so that's really nice too. I'm also going to take some of that Belle shade and put it on the inner part of my eye too, and I'm actually going to do that with our handy dandy little lid brush right here. Okay, there we are. And now I'm going to take BFF right here. It's kind of magenta purpley shade, and I'm going to go ahead and put that where I put this. I'm going to put that on the outer corner. This one doesn't have much pigmentation, I will say that. I feel like I am picking up a lot on the brush. It does look really pretty on the eye though. It's making my eyes look really green. There is fallout that I'm experiencing. I'm going to actually take this INT cosmetic one that I got, and I'm going to just take that with my finger and pack that where I didn't put that pink. Pretty, but not as glittery as I was hoping. And that pink eyeshadow is really not giving me the pigmentation that I want. I think I'm going to take the shade Alliance with my finger and pack that on too. Whoa. Oof. Oh, it has a lot of fallout. Okay. And now I think I want to really play with that blue color. I think I'm going to take my own brush and I'm just going to smoke that on the lower lash line. Color payoff is pretty good. I mean, it's not spectacular, but it's not horrendous either. Now I think I'm going to take that highlighter I got in my Ipsy bag and we're going to take that and we're going to highlight the inner corner.
Oh, you're working on a video?
Yes, I am.
I was going to hang out with you.
I'm sorry, I have to finish my video.
Oh, I promise I'll sit still and be quiet.
Oh yeah? that's nice. I think I'm actually gonna highlight my face with that too.
Mhm.
No, you can't talk. If you're gonna be in here, you have to be very quiet. You cannot talk or say anything. Okay? Okay, so now that we have all of that, I think that we're nearly done. I think we just need to put on some mascara. Oh, and our lip gloss, but let's put on our mascara first. Pretty clumpy, but that's okay. The wand is so large I kept bumping my eye, but this is one eye with it, one eye with it, and one eye without it. So now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and put this lip gloss on. Oh! Whoa! It's a lot more. Oh my. It's pretty opaque. And it like almost matches our crease perfectly. And I mean, it looks nice, but I think it's exactly what I'm going for today, if I'm gonna be honest. So alright, so I guess this is the end of the video. Hope that you guys like this look that I came up using my Ipsy and Boxy Charm boxes, and I hope that you liked the unboxing, and I hope that you guys, if you have the subscription, get yours soon. And if you do have the subscription, let me know what you think of the boxes. I don't think that BOXYCHARM was my favorite box this month, but I definitely do love BOXYCHARM, and I will continue getting both of these boxes. So I hope that you guys liked it, and I hope that you guys liked it enough to subscribe, and that my little sister wasn't too much of a nuisance. And alright, so I guess I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye!